to answer a frequently asked question. Which viscosity grade should I run? The important thing to keep in mind is that all oils get thinner as they get hotter. So keep in mind the oil temperature is always going to have an impact on what viscosity grade to run, but there's another variable to keep in mind, and that's your bearing clearances. The rule of thumb is the wider the bearing clearance, the thicker the oil has to be. The other thing to keep in mind is really tight bearing clearances also need thinner oil. In summary, viscosity is the most important characteristic of a lubricant. Viscosity changes with temperature, and you need to choose your viscosity grade based on your bearing clearances, your oil temperature, other factors such as what fuel you're running, if it's boosted or naturally aspirated. To make it easy for you, we've come up with a chart that actually shows which viscosity grade you should be using based on oil temperature and bearing clearances. And then you can adjust up based on what fuel you're using or if it's boosted or naturally aspirated. The whole idea, make it easy for you to choose the right viscosity for your engine and your application. Thanks for watching.